Hi guys, it's Sadhya Mathur from Speedy Train, and in today's video I'm going to have fun with coding with you all on the platform called Dialogflow. So first I'm going to show you how the bot will work. So I've already made one about myself, so now I'm going to ask few things about me which I've trained my bot. So I've now written who is Adya's favorite hero. The answer is coming as Viman Shroff, also known as Tiger Shroff. Now I'm going to write what is Adya's favorite food. You can also write favorite food. So it's coming as it is curry chawal. So now I'm going to show you how to make a chatbot like this. So first go to Dialogflow and don't worry about that. The link of it is in the description. So now on your screen might be a little different. On mine it's coming like this because I've already made a few. So on your screen there must be a blue button like this over here which says create agent. Now click on it and now name the agent as your name if you want to make one about yourself. I've also made one about COVID-19 which has all the questions and answers about the virus. So I'm naming it as Adya. My whole name is Adya Mathur, so I'm writing Adya underscore Mathur. Underscore means that you are giving a space. In coding, underscore means space. So don't give any space, otherwise it won't work properly. Now default time zone, give it as Asia Colombo. And you don't want to do this will spoil the whole thing. Now click on create. And the account to be used must be a Gmail account, otherwise the bot won't work very nicely. It might take a little time, and on some accounts it doesn't work. It's showing as working, but on some it shows as cancelled. So when that happens, just there must be a problem with your Gmail account. So once this is done, you have to go to Gmail. You can see these dots on the corner next to your account, so click on that. There are many Google apps here. Just go down and open Sheets. So now start a new spreadsheet, click on blank and train your bot. Remember when I ask who is Adya's favorite hero, so you can ask questions. So write questions in this column A and answers in column B. So don't write question 1, this, question 2, that, because that's actually not required. So you want to know how the bot gave the answers, so I'm writing the same question. Who is Adya's favorite hero? Okay, so you can increase the width as well so that A and B don't jumble too much. Now give a question mark if you want, and the answer should be in column B, so I'm writing the answer as Tiger Shroff. So you can do multiple questions as many you want. I have done 39. So I've already made one spreadsheet like this, so I'm gonna show you that. Here I've made this. So here it is. So I've trained it as everything like how old is Adya, what's Adya's gender, who is Adya's best friend. So these are all the questions and the answers. So if I ask something I haven't trained my bot for, the answer won't come. So now you have to go to file and now you have to download it. Now download it as a comma separated values, means CSV. Click on it, and while it's getting downloaded, go to Dialogflow. And one more thing, you can see if you have I've named my bot as Adya Mathur, whatever you have named as, click on this settings icon and now enable all the beta features and APIs so that the sheet could get connected over here. So now save it. Saving is very important. Now go to knowledge and now you can see the slider, move it to stronger. Yes. So now it says no knowledge base has been created here. Create the first one. Don't click on that. Click on create knowledge base. Now name your knowledge base as anything. I am naming it as my bot. You can name it as anything you want. Now click on save. Now no knowledge document has been created yet. Create the first one. Now enter the document name. I named it as my bot, so make sure that the capitalizations and all those things are just the same. Now knowledge type should be FAQs, means frequently asked questions. MIME type should be text CSV, and leave this file on cloud storage. Instead of that, choose upload file from your computer. You downloaded this spreadsheet, now it must be downloaded in your computer. Click on select file and choose the one you saved. Now I have done that. It must be in your downloads. Now click on create. It might take a little time, but it's okay. And yes, you can even add a profile picture of your bot. I'll show you how to do that. But first let it save the whole thing. Yeah, so when it's coming as document created, click on OK. And now here's your whatever you named it. I named it as my bot. And now execute respond to the user. So click on add response, and we're not going to type anything in the text response. So do it as set this intent as end of conversation, and now you can save it. Yeah, so it's done. So my bot. So now click on view detail to see all the question and answers. So now it is coming as try it now. So write only those questions for which you trained your bot as. So if you have written what is the favorite animal, and if you haven't tried what is her eye color, if you haven't trained your bot like that, if you didn't write that, and if you write it in the dialog flow, that computer doesn't have much knowledge. It only knows how much you trained it, so it won't come. And sometimes it happens that the bot takes words. I'll just show you. So I'm writing who are you. So see, yeah, it's coming perfectly. Now if I write who is Adya, I first wrote who are you because I trained my bot for that, to give the answer as hi, I'm Adya's assistant, ask whatever you want about her. But if I write who is Adya, I didn't train my bot for that, so it can take random. So it's showing as Adya's sister is Sia Mathur, she is in pre-primary 2021. That's happening because I wrote in one who is Adya's sister, so it must have picked up a word which is coming in really common here. So now I'm going to show you how to upload a profile picture. So now go to settings again, and now you can see this. Yeah, so it's coming out define URL to agent avatar that will be used in web demo, Hangouts, chat integrations. Yeah, so now go to integrations first. Now first for that you need to enable the web demo, enable it, and now close it. And now again go to settings for the avatar. So now to upload it, then you have to copy the link of it. You can go to Google and take any. So I also created a bot about Punjab, and I updated the profile picture of my bot. So you basically have to copy a URL from Google, copy the image address, and then paste it and then save. But if you want to delete it, go to delete agent, delete this agent, and type delete in capital letters. Well, I'm not deleting it right now. So I'm now going to show you. Well, you can save it. Yeah, so now to share it to anyone on any other application, you go to this integrations. Web demo you already enabled, so now you can see this link and this one. Don't click on this one, it's the wrong one. Click on this src link and copy it. Don't copy the double quotes, they are not part of that. Now you can copy it and paste it anywhere you want. And thanks for watching my video. Please like and share and subscribe my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.